Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Now available in the highly sought after residential community of Unity Hall St. James is this uniquely designed 3-bedroom, 3 ensuite bathroom residence of 3,634 square feet on half-acre of land. The entire house is light-filled and airy, and each spacious bedroom has vaulted ceilings, ceiling fans, air conditioners, and ample closet space. As you enter the house, you are greeted with a beautiful green space in the center of the house, which provides spectacular views from the living and dining areas in this open plan design. The comfortable living room area flows out to a large deck overlooking the well-fruited back garden and provide the perfect space for relaxation and entertainment. The kitchen is complemented with an adjacent pantry and separate laundry room. An additional storage room with bathroom is located behind the living room and can easily be converted to a helper's quarters. Unity Hall is ideally located in close proximity to shopping centers, beaches, and the international airport. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 369,000 or Jamaican $56.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.